For motion, item number 1. Yes, what is this? Okay, we fix a date for you. Not next week, maybe after 2 weeks. This court is fixing, you don't lose.
No, it has to be heard. It has to be heard. It's I'm very clear about it.
Uh,
It's not the point of law. I'm really. No, but friends, you don't have that. I didn't want to. That's not my fault.
We record that and we listen. We record that.
Maybe you follow that and maybe the
Yes.
I don't know if I know a question. I'm very clear.
Okay.
It's on the ground.
You know that much sense. You want to also for you. This application has been filed on the Article 226 of the Constitution of India by the respondent number 1 slash applicant, praying for vacating, modifying, altering the exported interim order dated 15th of 2025. Mr. Edmund, you want to counsel for the, before the, you want to counsel for the petitioner, opposite party? You want to counsel for the petitioner slash opposite party number 1? Submits that the petition may be taken up for hearing in view of the operation of Article 226 of the Constitution. Stop. MS so far. However, submits that he is unable to argue the matter as she is being led by Mr. E.P. Bora, the counsel leading the case for the applicant. When do you want? No lengthy hearing, huh? Don't take chance in my court. It'll be just 10-15 days. We can give that. What was the last date? What was the last line? It's Kelly. The leading counsel in the case. The leading counsel in the case. And praise to list the case on. Yes, on 23rd, okay? 23/6/2020. So, in view of the adjournment sought by the learned counsel for the applicant, the matter is accordingly listed on 23/6/2020. The interim order passed in the manual petition shall continue till the next return of orders. For motion, item number 2. Yes, Mr. Mora. This is for Diane Hannes. Somebody is appointed? You are actually seeking appointment against, no, against, whose post? No, completion appointment is for your father, mother, anybody? Where have you stated where, in which post he was serving? So you are eligible under 17/9/2015. But Mr. Mazami, you want to call for the petition? The present petition is filed, seeking for completion of the program. So the rights of the case in review then. The petitioner's father died in Burmese on 1/1/2019. While serving as a peon, plus for non-resident under the establishment of Directorate of Civil Conservation with temporary headquarters of Maluri. Subsequent to the demise of the petitioner's father, the petitioner on 18/1/2019 submitted the application dated, or on 18/1/2019 submitted the application to, was the application? To the Directorate of Soil and Water Conservation, Nagaland, Kohima. Seeking for appointment on compassionate ground. Stop. The application submitted by the petitioner was forwarded to the respondent number 3, right later 21/2/2019. However, till date, no action has been taken by the state respondents to consider the application of the petitioner. It is also the case of the petitioner that in terms of the office memorandum dated 17/9/2015, which provides the revised compassionate appointment scheme for state government employees who die in harness, the petitioner is eligible to be appointed on compassionate, to be appointed to be appointed under the scheme. Issue notice to the respondents returnable after 4 weeks. Mr. Ajungli, the learned counsel, the learned government advocate accepts notice on behalf of the state respondents. Therefore, no formal notice need be issued. The learned counsel for the petition. Any private respondents? Ajungli, learned government advocate accepts notice on behalf of the respondent number 1, 2, and 3. Therefore, no formal notice need be issued to the state respondents. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall however serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned government advocate in the course of the day. Insofar as the respondent number 42 32 are considered, the petitioner, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the said respondents by a registered postpaid AD within a period of 2 days from today. Okay.
For admission, item number 3.
Lordship.
Yes, ma'am.
Pleadings are completed in this matter. If the matter may be listed for hearing.
Okay.
Please.
It is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties that pleadings are completed and the matter can be listed for hearing. Stop it. Listed for hearing in the usual course. Okay.
For admission, item number 4.
This Lordship.
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship, kindly grant us 2 weeks time to file rejoinder to the affidavit.
File affidavit.
Yes.
You are the counsel for the ma'am.
Respondent number 6.
Will you be filing? Will you be filing rejoinder? No.
Lordship, I on behalf of M. Longobar.
Okay, so you will not, still may not, it may not be necessary. You are for the respondent number 6
Private response.
and you are for the petitioner.
Petitioner.
MS so-and-so. Learned counsel for the respondent number 6. 6 for 2 weeks time to file rejoinder affidavit to the affidavit in reply filed by the petitioner. Prayer is allowed. Listed accordingly.
For admission, item number 5.
Lordship, this is a short matter, Lordship.
Yes, short matter, but if it is for judgment, maybe.
Lordship, as per the direction of this honorable court, Your Lordship, I have filed my affidavit in reply to the additional affidavit filed by the.
Rejoinder.
Yes, yes,
Rejoinder affidavit.
yes,
So yes,
yes. So pleadings are completed now, my lord.
pleadings are complete, so we can list it for
Lordship,
hearing.
This is on the verge of becoming infructuous.
Yes, we'll list it for hearing.
Yes, my lord, so.
Don't.
Yes, I know. Lordship, so if it can be listed before court 2 or 3. Because here I'm running against time.
It's all right. We listed last week of June.
Lordship,
It is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties that pleadings are completed. And the matter can be listed for hearing. Listed for hearing on 23/6/2020. Yes.
obliged, my lord. Much obliged, my lord.
For admission, item number 6 and 7.
Lordship,
Semua, you filed your affidavit.
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship, we have received a copy today. Kindly allow us some time to go through the affidavit.
MS so-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that she has received the copy of the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondents only today. Stop. She therefore seeks for 2 weeks' time to go through the state and to file reply if so advised. Listed after 2 weeks.
Much obliged. For admission, item number 8.
May I please, your Lordship?
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship, on behalf of M. Longobar, kindly grant 3 weeks time to file affidavit.
The learned government advocate is further allowed 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. Listed accordingly.
May pledge.
For admission, item numbers 9 to 12.
Please, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, I'm mentioning on behalf of our young warrior for the respondents. My lord, we are ready to file our affidavit, so if another 3 weeks time may be given to me, my lord.
Younger Wadi is representing the,
CGC, my lord.
all the respondents?
Yes, yes,
my
Your Lordship, I have no objection, but however, an endeavor may be made since there's a time, almost 5 months have been lapsed to file on the next, their AIO.
Your good name,
Jingyang Po, my lord.
Mr. So-and-so. The Learned Council makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Younger Wati, Learned CDC. And seeks for further 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in reply. Stop prayer is allowed with the condition that an endeavor shall be made to file the affidavit in opposition on or before the next date fixed, listed after 3 weeks.
Obliged, my lord.
Objection.
For admission, item number 13.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Your lordship, here the petitioner, while she was working as the
You were asked to receive instruction. What was the instruction?
Your lordship, in this case, this petition was filed for staying the departmental proceeding. And while this matter was pending,
Departmental proceedings, no.
while this matter was pending, the termination order was issued against her, and she has filed an
Oh.
appeal in respect of that. So
What is the stage of that termination order? Appeal has been filed?
appeal has been filed, your
So
lordship.
this is infractious.
Yes, your lordship, but if the petitioner is able to successfully challenge the appeal, her termination order in the appeal, then she'll be contesting the same case. So if this matter may be kept in abeyance, depending on the outcome of the appeal, your lordship.
In appeal, what she has challenged the termination order.
Yes, your lordship. Because earlier also she filed a representation for staying the department.
Suppose, assuming that you are successful
Lordship,
and your termination is quashed,
lordship.
what happens to this? This is also, it has a natural death.
Your lordship, if the termination is being able to successfully challenged, then the departmental proceeding will continue. But we have filed this petition for staying the departmental proceeding.
Even if you succeed in suppose, even if you are successful in challenging the impugned termination order, still then, I think it is obvious that a direction will be given to proceed with the departmental proceedings.
Yes, your lordship, and we will have to file a petition for staying the departmental proceeding in the same nature, your
Okay,
lordship.
yeah.
Lordship, since an appeal is pending, this
That
petition is infractious.
That is what this code is, but
Yes.
they are saying that let this matter be kept in abeyance. We will do that. On the prayer of Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, the matter is kept in abeyance pending the outcome of
The appeal, your lordship.
what appeal? Appeal number?
Your lordship, I do not have the document this morning, your lordship.
Okay, right.
Lordship, I was also not aware that if there is any appeal pending. I was not informed that any appeal was pending. Let me verify, Lordship, on the next date.
Okay, don't pass any other. On the next date fix, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner shall come with proper instructions listed after a week. Come with instructions, come
Lordship.
with all the appeal numbers.
Your lordship,
Okay.
your lordship. My pleasure.
For admission, item number 14.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship.
Yeah,
Lordship, I may be allowed 2 weeks' time to file my reply to the state respondents.
okay. Yeah, Vikono,
Yes, Lordship.
MS Vikono Kiso. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner is further allowed 2 weeks' time.
Okay.
2 weeks' time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit filed by the state respondents. Prayer is allowed, listed record. No.
For admission, item number 15.
My pleasure, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, on behalf of AIME, kindly grant 3 weeks time to file affidavit.
On behalf of?
AIME.
Yeah.
Lordship, I'm for respondent number 1 to 8.
1 to 8. You file your affidavit?
No, Lordship, 3 weeks time to file.
Okay. Both the learned government advocate as well as the learned counsel for the respondent number 1 to 8 are allowed 3 weeks time to file their respective affidavit in opposition. Stop. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date, listed after 3 weeks. Okay?
For admission, item number 16.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, behalf of VZ Momi, lordship here, counter affidavit is under preparation. So kindly grant 3 weeks of time. VZ Momi.
Last time, it was on behalf of Livika. Who is representing?
VZ Momi, lordship.
Zimumi.
Lordship,
You have received the instruction.
instruction, lordship.
Mr. Ajungli Sanctum, learned counsel, makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Vijmomi, the learned government advocate, and submits that the affidavit in opposition on behalf of the state respondent is under preparation. The learned government advocate accordingly seeks for 3 weeks time. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Allowed. For admission, item number 17.
My pleasure, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, on behalf of M. Longomar, kindly grant 3 weeks time to file affidavit.
On behalf of
M. Longomar.
M. Long. Ms. Pichano, the learned government, the learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. M. Longkumar, learned government advocate, and seeks for 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
My pleasure.
For admission, item number 18.
My pleasure, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, here I need to receive my instructions, so if 3 weeks time, they kindly credit to me.
Ms. Pichano, the learned government advocate, submits that she is yet to receive instructions and therefore seeks for 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Oh.
For admission, item number 19.
Lordship, I'm here to receive an instruction.
Mr. Is it between this Ziliang and Kuki, all this?
The 4 tribes, your lordship, Kuki, Kachari, no, not Ziliang. The Kuki, Kachari, Garo, and Mikir. These are also indigenous tribes of the state of Nagaland in terms of the scheduled tribes, or as your lordship is aware. By an exercise which the state has adopted, they are being discriminated against. That's why I'm here before his own court. If you want time,
No,
can
if,
get lost.
Yeah, Lordship,
if it was between Kuki and Ziliang,
no,
Why not?
I was deeply involved in that case.
Ah,
That's why
well.
just. Okay. Yeah, so we give time.
That's all right, my lord.
There's an interim.
Yes, there's an interim order.
Till the next day, the respondent shall not take any exercise with regard to the enumeration.
Enumeration exercise.
Mr. Timothy Imsong, the learned additional AG, 6-4, and is
2
granted 3 weeks time
3 weeks. Lordship.
to file the affidavit in opposition. Stop. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date. Okay.
Much obliged.
For orders, item number 20.
Yes,
Yeah, Lordship, here in this case, I'm yet to
Interim
finalize my
order.
affidavit.
okay.
Your Lordship, here in the meantime, by the order dated 8/11/2023, there's one order
Uh,
to implement all the other tribes. So it is not yet done. And against this order, the petitioner has filed one review petition, but they have already withdrawn. So this order dated,
withdrawn, then they were actually advised to file appeal.
yes, it is,
You have not filed appeal,
not
man?
not yet.
We are still waiting for proper instruction from the clients.
Okay.
And in the meantime, the respondent number, NPSC, respondent number 3 is yet to respond.
Okay, so you take your time to file your, this affidavit, let us see. Because, I think, if they file a appeal, and if the appeal is allowed, it'll be, I think, maybe it'll be only with respect to that other tribes.
Yes, but they have not filed a bill.
We're seeking instruction. In that case, it may be listed after 4 weeks, Lordship.
MS,
COVID secretary.
so and so, learned counsel for the petitioner is allowed 3 weeks' time to receive instructions and to take steps in the case, Listed after 3 weeks.
That's right.
For orders, item number 21.
Maybe Lordship.
Yes, please.
Lordship, service upon respondent 4 is still awaited.
What
Lordship,
happened?
I'm maybe taking steps.
Ah.
Lordship, still awaited, so Lordship, I will be allowed to take steps by way of taxi service.
That's the service upon, who is respondent number 4?
Respondent number 4 is the prime minister, Lordship. I'm impugning his appointment. I'm challenging the appointment.
Okay.
The funeral is based to the Annex 3, Annex 7.
You have not filed affidavit.
Lordship, I made a receipt instruction, so kindly grant 3 weeks time.
Office note dated 14/5/2025 shows that return service report in respect of respondent number 4 is still awaited. Mr. Fuseko, the learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he may be allowed to take fresh steps upon the respondent number 4 by thus the process. Stop, prayer is allowed. Dusty service upon the respondent number 4 to be taken within
Within a week time.
within a period of 7 days from today. Stop. MS Pichano, learned government advocate, is also allowed 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition, listed accordingly.
Lordship, upon serving, I need allowed to file in clinical service.
Yes, what was that, middle line? Within 7 days and file affidavit to that effect.
Lordship, will it come up after 4 weeks, Lordship?
Yeah, I will have this up to 4 weeks, okay?
Bless one.
Sipom. Sipom.